Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are back here for day 3 of 4. We have Hulk Outdoors with us again, and today we're hunting a pond, a public pond with a whole bunch of green-winged teal and mallards in it. But before we get to the hunting, back with another What's in the Can episode here. Today I have something that I think most people would be intimidated by. 5-hour energy in a can, but not afraid of the challenge. We got tropical burst here. It's not purple, they didn't have purple, otherwise we would have got it. But 230 milli vanillis, 0 sugar, so it looks pretty healthy to me, but gotta be healthy. We're gonna crack right into this thing. It says sometimes you're thirsty and tired at the same time, and I am both of those today. Pretty good taste, not gonna lie. Pretty good taste. But we'll pass it on to the back here. See what we got going on.
What's up, guys? A little crammed back here in the back seat with the old access cab. Rocking something new today. Peach Celsius. Can't go wrong with peach, except with this one. Not good. I already cracked it because these guys were sleeping, but it was probably like a 5.3 out of 10. A little watery. Yeah, it's a rough look for Celsius. These vibes, not hating, just hating on this one.
Honest review. Honest review.
Well, that should be an easy one to follow. We have a 5-hour energy drink as well, just because, as like Jack, I'm not afraid of a challenge. We have orange side. Orange-sicle. Dyslexia's, it really looked like it. I promise.
Yeah, it does.
Dyslexia is tough sometimes. Anyway, we're gonna give it a crack here. It smells good. Tastes pretty good too. It's an intimidating drink, but good results.
All right.
Alright, we got a new face behind the wheel here. Usually we got Jack driving, but
Hey, driver.
decided to take the old GMC today. So we'll see if I can do this without crashing. Don't know how he does it. I got the old Orange Cream Ghost. I've had the Rain Orange Dreamsicle a few times, and it's a very solid drink. So we'll see how Ghost does with it. About pretty much the same thing as the Rain. Solid. I give it a 8.472. 8.472.
Very nice. All right, guys, we're gonna keep on driving here, get to the pond, and we'll give you an update when we get there. See ya. All right, guys, before we head into the slough here, we're gonna take a minute and talk about TideWe. You guys are pretty excited. We just got in our new breathable insulated waders here, and still got the tags on them, brand new. But these things are pretty sweet. The boots, they got like suctioning around the ankles, keep your boot on when you're getting that muddy stuff, and they got the quilted inside. I don't know if you can see it there.
Definitely can't.
You can see that right there.
Maybe a little bit.
Oh yeah, they're warm, feeling good. It's a little chilly this morning.
Check
but,
these things out, guys. Super agile. You really bend your knees.
Hey, give me
Honestly,
a 40. Give me a 40.
A 40? You want a 40? All right. Well, here's the thing. Never had breathables before. These are way better than neoprenes. Definitely check them out, but watch this. Okay, ready?
Look at this grip.
Once you go breathable, you don't go back. If you guys want to get yourself some of these, go over to the website and use code ERW18. Get 18% off on these, or ERW100 to get $100 off on the deep wades. We'll see you in the slough.
All right, what's up, guys? We're back with another one today. Day 3 of
It's shooting time right
day
now.
3 of the weekend. Shooting time, I guess. Set up here on a piece of big water that Luke and Thomas found yesterday. Luckily, because we didn't have anything else super good, so hunting some big water. Just kind of laying in these short reeds, I guess. Got a couple dozen decoys out. Wind's kind of blowing in our face, but we'll see how it works. Never mind.
Kind of looked like they were coming.
Kill him.
Nice.
That one.
Oh boy. Noel, shoot one.
Nice.
Nice.
Kid.
Yeah, get the cripple.
Watch, Noel.
Get him, Jacob. Get him, Jacob.
Jeez. Sharpshooters out here today.
Shoot him.
Fellas, come on now.
Shoot that. Shooting blanks today, boys.
Damn.
That's Thomas. Teal. Guys.
Oh my.
Guys.
Oh my god.
Bunch straight here.
I could kill that one.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
You could get that one on the water. Hey, Jacob can shoot this one on the water.
Did it just get up?
No, it's right there, right on the right, but in front of that last decoy. You see him?
Yeah. Should I spot it?
Jacob, shoot that. Shoot him.
As long as you're not
I don't
getting-
know.
There's another one coming in. Another one coming. Oh,
No. Oh, right here, two.
There's so many teal.
Boy,
Fuck.
single, bigger duck right here.
Nolan needs to get back.
Yeah.
Let's go, Noel. Fuck.
Yeah, Nolan needs to get back in.
Is he still chasing it?
We'd honestly just be raining on him right now.
Yeah. They're gonna end up in here. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Shoot those boys. 0 birds.
No way. Alright, boys. Focus up.
Get in here.
No way.
Jeez. Alright, maybe we can.
Kill those. There we go. Yeah.
There we go. I finally
that one
fucking
going.
hit 2 of them.
Nice.
Let's go.
Heads up and the decoys there. Oh, never mind.
Finally.
There we go.
That was.
Sick footage.
There we
We
go,
all
boys.
sat down there and
Jacob
Finally
hitting them.
picked up the shooting here.
we actually decided to take a second.
Yeah.
Well, those also decoyed pretty
Picked out
greasy.
birds. There we go.
That's a diver.
I just want a big group of divers.
Come. If you can shoot that one on the water. Hey! Nice! Full choked him.
Nolan!
Nice! Yeah.
Nolan did.
Oh.
Rip them.
Yep.
BB is
Head up.
not the right shell for this.
Oh, kill it. Kill
That's-
it. I don't understand. There we go.
So many teal.
Head up still.
Nice.
Kill that man.
Oh boy.
Watch the wad. Watch the wand. Yeah.
Are you?
That one, yeah. That one, yeah.
Oh, dick.
Find him.
Run
get
it,
on
Jack.
him.
Get to it. Get to it.
That one's up in the spit. Got him?
Heads up on the left there. What are these?
We're gonna let him spin again. Call him.
Come.
Yeah.
Green head down!
We screwed up our limits. Enough. We got it.
Jacob! I didn't even, there.
Yeah, those are
Got a
hot.
lot. Yeah. Oh, mallards on the map. Not mallards right here.
Mallards right here. Kill the.
Oh, they're so.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh.
Helicopter.
I'm gonna grab.
Oh my dick.
Kill him.
Deadhead.
Well, guys, it's 7:24. Been shooting for about 30 minutes, and we're 2 away from our limit, from our 6-man right now. Here we go, right here.
Kill the greenhead.
Oh, he dove right away.
I got it.
That was sick.
You're always on
I got that.
Oh, right there.
Better get him.
Fast
What
and
time, what time is it right now?
Green wing.
He's kind of far.
we're finishing the last one at.
Water's
Careful, Ryan. Ryan.
No! Got him. You already have a limit.
Look at those stud green heads there, a bunch of nice green wings.
Well, we ended up shooting our 6-man pretty dang quick, maybe about 30 minutes or so. We had just consistent flocks or green wings, just dumping in. We had a couple of really big groups that we ran into. But yeah, it was an awesome hunt. Just pretty consistent shooting, good shots by us. We shot pretty well, so that was nice. But yeah, shout out TideWe for sending us waders. Like we said earlier, use code ERW18 for everything on TideWe's website, and then for 18% off, that is, and then use code ERW100 if you're still interested in getting a pair of those new deep wade waders that they're featuring. So yeah, we got to walk out here, but this will be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe, like this video. That does a lot for us. Comment, tell us what you thought. We appreciate all the feedback we can get. So thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow for another one.